Hi everyone, this is Sumit here and welcome to my channel Excel with Sumit. In this video I'll explain how to filter particular set of data from a huge data set. For example, here we have filtered IT department data from this entire data set. Similarly, if you want to filter status active from this huge data set, or if you want to filter, for example, any particular age group here. So here I'll explain you the quickest way how to do that. Suppose you have got huge data set where you have 6 columns and you have 34 rows, then how to get a particular set of data? Generally, what people do is to filter data, they select the entire column and then they go to data and then they press filter. Now suppose if you want to filter only department as IT, then you'll go to department here and then you'll click only IT here and then you press OK. Whatever you get as output, you select entire output, press Ctrl C and then you have to press a new worksheet by using a shortcut Ctrl N and then you press Ctrl V. Here you see that you get the output in a different sheet, but this is not a very efficient method. And here if you change the data in the entire raw data, this will not automatically change. And suppose now if you want to filter only active, again you will repeat the procedure. So here I'll explain you an efficient method where you can do this very quickly. To apply the efficient method, first change the raw data to a table. So to do that, select entire table which you have here, which has 6 columns and you have 34 rows. Go to insert and click here table. You'll get an option of where is the data for your table. Just press OK. You see that automatically your raw data got converted into table. Also, whenever you get a table inserted in an Excel file, it always has a name. To check the name of the table, click anywhere inside the table. Go to table design here and see the name here. Here you have the name as table 4. So this table is named as table 4 in this Excel file. Now we'll go ahead and apply the formula to filter the data. To apply the formula, you will use filter function. To do that, you will write is equal to FILT, press tab here. Now the array here will be the table name. So as we have seen that the table name is table 4, so we will write table and then we see that we have got an option of multiple table. We'll use the down arrow and then we'll press here tab. So here table 4 is selected as an array. Now we'll press comma. Here we want that the department should be IT. So we'll again write table 4 here. So we'll write TABLE. We will use the down arrow key and then we'll press tab. Now we will press a open square bracket. So we'll use square bracket here. And then we see we have got all the options of all the columns in this table. So here we need the department here. So here we'll use a down arrow key and we'll go to department here. As we reach to department, we'll press tab here and then we'll close the square bracket. Now we want that the department should be IT. So we'll press here is equal to and in double quotes we will write IT and then we'll close the double quotes and now we'll close the bracket and then we'll press enter. We see that automatically we have got the filtered output with the department as IT. Now suppose if you want to filter the status as active, we'll double click the formula. Now here we want the status as active. So here we'll remove the department here. And now again we'll use the down arrow key, we'll go to the status and press tab. Here we want the status should be active. So now we'll change this IT and we'll make it active as it is mentioned in the raw data. And then we'll press enter. We see that quickly our output has been changed. Now there are multiple advantages of using this method. Now here suppose we have the John Smith as active here. Now let's make it inactive. So we'll change it as inactive and we'll press enter. We see that quickly the output also gets changed. Now suppose if you add a data here, for example, if you add a employee ID as 031, if you write a random name and if you write a department as IT and you select a country and then we can write a age and now if you write active here, then automatically we see that this extra row got appended in our previous output. So here we see that this is a very efficient method to filter out the data on a real time and whenever we change the raw data, our output also changes immediately.